Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. So this specific day, we had gone out to a new reservoir that I had never fished before. I think Skylar's only been there like once or twice, but I've never been there before. We were super excited to go out. The cutthroat were spawning and they were beautiful, and I wish I would have caught more. It ended up being a kind of a rough day. I ended up being grumpy for a good portion of it. I had worked the night before, and then got home and went straight out to go fishing. So I was exhausted. I had pulled like a 30-hour day by the end of it, and actually ended up taking a nap in the car as he kept fishing. So, and another reason I was a little miserable is because it was super windy, super windy, and it was colder, and I forgot my jacket. So I was a little more miserable because of that, but that's okay. I wish I would have caught more fish, but that's okay because I'm gonna go back and get my revenge one day. It was still super fun, super worth it, and I am so excited to go back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah. I will take it. Oh, look at him. Oh. Oh, he just came off.
There's a dead one in there.
I know, and the bell's right next to the dead one. I can see it.
Well, that sucks. That was cool. Good job.
Thanks.
That was style works in, huh? And he hooked himself, I think, basically.
Yeah, he did. It's nice.
I kept having a couple follows. It's cool to see him finally. Like, kind of slowed down right in front of him.
Oh, he's a decent size.
Yeah, about. He's pretty though, huh?
He's very pretty.
Got your camera?
Yeah.
Want to take a picture of him in the water? You come like right here and then take all of it. Stick a picture of him. And then just get one of him.
He's pretty.
Good.
God, he's beautiful.
Hey.
Oh my
Nice,
goodness.
sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Oh, there you go.
Oh no. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
He was on there too.
That sucks. Hey, at least you got another one to bite. You have one?
No.
So dang it.
I'm sorry, my foot did that earlier.
All over the way. I gotta figure out this GoPro setup. Dang it.
I think I need to go deeper.
Where you at? Where to me? Oh yeah. I'd even go a little deeper than that.
Okay. I like the fly rod.
That's why I said you should just start it that way. And even when you see me going for the, you can just go straight to the fly rod.
Because for me, I enjoy fly fishing way more than I enjoy spin fishing.
Yeah, that's good.
Way
A
more.
lot of people like that. I'm not one
That's
of those,
just me.
I'm not one of those people, but I don't like spin fishing more. I do like fly fish more. It's just I got that versatility. And I grew up spin fishing, so it's still...
The couple times I went fishing as a kid, it was spin fishing, but we didn't do it often enough for it to make a difference to me.
Right. No, I get that. totally understand that.
So really, my first real experience into fishing was you teaching me tenkara.
What'd you do when you were little again? I can't remember.
We went spin fishing at the river by my uncle's, my
What
great uncle.
bait?
Huh?
With bait, wasn't it?
I believe so, yes.
You don't even remember?
I don't. All I remember is I kicked my brother's ass and he got pissed. Because it's not like in Girl Scout camp or anything. We did like fishing. We didn't. We did arts and crafts, and we did do archery one year, which was fun, and horseback riding, and you know, swimming, those kind of things. But we didn't do like fishing. My brother was pissed because he's like, I go to Cub Scout camp and I go fishing every year, and you come out once and you kick my butt. Because I caught like 12 in an hour. I don't even remember what kind of fish they were, to be honest with you, but they were just little things.
Probably trout.
And he caught bigger ones, but he caught way less. But back then, size didn't really matter to us.
That's how many.
Yeah. I mean, I was 7, 8, 9. I don't really remember much.
Does size still matter?
The wind makes it a little more difficult.
Yeah, you should make that popcorn, huh?
What popcorn? What are you talking about?
You got sauce, you should make that popcorn. Oh, I had a fish.
You just smacked my leg.
I did. I had a fish too.
Yeah. Woohoo.
How's it called? Oh, it's a cutty.
Oh, is it?
Nice job. Gotta get out of the pan.
Working on it.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Don't just go longer, that's a ticket. That was a ticket, huh?
Yes, it was.
I need to know this one would be great.
Come here, bud.
Barks too, right?
Oh, no, I didn't. It's okay, this one doesn't look like it'd be too bad.
Nice one.
Come here.
Is that one of your biggest, or is I think the last one was bigger, huh?
The last one was.
Hey, I'll take that's take that in here.
Ah. I thought you said he'd figure it out.
Hey, nice job. All right, cool.
Thanks. Ooh.
I guess I should have stuck with the. You got loose line? There you go. Let it go if it will go. Don't reel him while you're pulling. You got a big one. I wonder if it's a big rainbow.
Oh, he's fighting a little bit.
I'm guessing big rainbow. That's my guess. Most cutties don't fight that hard unless it's a big cut.
He gives up for a second and then he starts pulling.
It's alright, let him pull when he wants to pull. Don't be reeling in when he's trying to pull. I don't like what you're doing.
I'm not. I'm waiting until he chills out a little bit. Oh,
Good pull.
my thing broke off.
Yeah. Oh, that was good.